Hi, this is Greg with 31 Events. Thanks for stopping by. Today is October 10th, 2020. This video is primarily intended for a Calendarsnack user. If you're not a user, please go become a fan. That takes a little while, I understand that. However, if you're not a fan, you'll probably not be using the power bar. That said, calendarsnack.com is a good resource for you to start at. That is right here under calendarsnack.com. And if you want to get a snack, start snacking. It's really simple. All you have to do is basically add us to your calendar off your Google or Outlook calendar. It could be laptop, mobile, doesn't matter. And when you do that, when you copy us on your calendar event, you'll receive a calendar snack. It's that easy. So that said, let's pretend you're a calendar snack fan like I am. You get the power bar for pay. It'll cost something. We're unsure what that is. But when you enter your organizer email address as a calendar snack user, you're going to click Power Up. And what Power Up's going to do is cache up to all your events. I'm just caching 100 today, but all your events in a simple, easy to use console. So you can see under this persona, under my multi-event dashboard we're calling for Greg at techvader.com, these are my past 100 events. So the events can be seen as a list or a card. We can kind of take a peek or a wander down my events. We could go back here. I could type in somebody else, say Tom at techvader.com. And you'll see under Power Up, Tom only has a couple. You'll see the differences in persona. If we type in Mandy at TechVader, the power bar is going out under search and it's gathering all the previous events that Calendarsnack user has basically created and we store into our database. So let's just take a journey down Mandy's road here. You'll see some events here that are large, small, and in between. This is a test account. It's not a live customer account, obviously. Let me go into one of these events, like this one here. You'll see this is the individual calendar snack. This is the information that was sent out. And under Send, you'll see the persona of the calendar snack here. The persona here as a snack user would be, we have the availability to promote this event by using our RSVP buttons for email, call to action inside MailChimp, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, and SendGrid. Those are resident and available today. And also we have something really cool we've been working on for 3 years now called the landing page. Landing page is a real simple concept. You can see it work here where I just grab a personalized landing page for this event under grab and go. I'll go up here to new tab and I'll go ahead and put that in there and you'll see this particular landing page. And when I put in my email address, that person receives a calendar invitation which we track on the back end. Now I'm not going into all the details there. I want to keep it kind of light. That said though, when I go back home, you'll see that I'm in this persona as Amanda, and I'm going to pick out another event here. We'll scroll down, and let's find something with some test data in it, like this one here. And the test data here will show you under count that this was a bulk run. I actually uploaded to a list, and I sent out calendar invitations to a list, and we sampled the data. These people here said yes to the bulk run, and that means we collected the calendar receipt from their calendar client. Now that's pretty exciting stuff to have all this information in one area. That's very cool. But you'll see that I'm in the multi-event dashboard here versus a transactional calendar snack, which is here. If I go home in the power bar and I go to send here, you'll see that I only have send and count. That is because we're in the persona of the multi-event engine. So under send for multiple events, we have what's called the multiple event landing page. So I'm going to grab and go. So under grab and go, I'm going to grab that URL. I'm going to hit a new window. I'm going to hit paste. And you're going to see that this is a multiple event landing page to be used externally to a public promotion for you. This persona is under Mandy@techvader.com, and this is all her current events that she would like to use as a landing page for quick signups. So what does that mean? I'll take on the persona of, say, Bob, and I'll load up Bob in here at techvader.com. And now Bob has the ability to just pick out what events he would like to go to here in the multiple event landing page for Powerbar. So that said, I'm going to take on the persona of Bob, and Bob's going to say, okay, I'll take that one, I'll take that one, I'll take that one, and I'll take that one. So that means that these events individually have been sent to Bob, and we're tracking them with our RSVP receipt engine on the back. And now I can go into my dashboard for Amanda, which was the persona, and I can go look at these individual events sent and captured. But before I do that, I'm going to take you to basically Bob's persona, and take a peek here at Bob. And here's Bob right here. I'll pull up his persona, and you'll see that Bob received an invitation from Amanda just a few minutes ago for one of the events. The events are still processing, but you'll see here, just here in a sec, that Bob has the ability to obviously say yes or no to this event, since he subscribed to a single event in which we're tracking. So it's that easy. The other events are processing on the back end, and I won't bore you with that in the demo. So that said, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to leave it at that. There's a whole bunch of more things coming, but I wanted to give you a sample of where we're at. You'll see under multiple event reporting for Mandy at TechVader, her persona under Powerbar, that for these 100 cached events, she sent 7,000 calendar invitations. 1,700 of those have been responded to with a 25% response rate in her demo engine. She sent 6,800 of those with our bulk sending engine. 55 of those were shared or used off our landing page. 33 were forwarded and shared. And you can see that 23 were generated off our multi-event landing page. 15 of those were done with the MailChimp buttons. And these 5 were done with ConvertKit. These 5 were done with SendGrid. And these 9 were done with a generic engine that we built. So that said, the video is getting kind of long. Thanks for stopping by and checking out Powerbar. And hopefully in the next couple of months we'll have it launched, but we appreciate you checking out our journey and spending time with us today. Thanks.